Okay, this is my sisters. Me and my sister's table. So first, mag-introduce tayo na... So, eto, yung mana binders. Count natin yung mana binders. Tika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Dami, no? Yaman.
11.
Binder ba yun?
12, 13, 14, 15, everything. Ano gusto nyo dito? Gusto nyo mabili na etong container? Maganda to. Or etong cool book. Hindi to cool book. Eto ay sticker book. Puro man stickers, pwede kang maglagay. At, or, gusto mo to, ito, yung mas maganda at madaming stickers. Ito ba? Oo. Or, gusto nyo ng cool book na maganda at parang full. Parang aray ko. Ano? Which cool book do you like? Come with me. This one? No. This one? Yeah. This one? Yeah. This one? No. Everything? Yeah.
Okay na to, guys.